Mag-invest sa plants or mag-invest sa stress? Today, we chose the one that grows. Ang sarap sa feeling. Today, we decided to bring home more greens, more life. Diba, ang saya pumili ng plants, parang may instant mood boost. Alam mo yung struggle ng pagpili? Eto kaya o yun? Pero naisip ko, parang buhay lang din. Iba-iba tayo ng pace. May mabilis lumago, may dahan-dahan, pero lahat may chance mag-bloom. Hindi lang to basta shopping eh. This is about growth, patience, at pagmamahal sa small things. Kahit gaano kaliit, basta inaalagaan, lumalago. Alam mo, ang buhay parang halaman. Kung gusto mong lumago, alagaan mo. Kung gusto mong magbago, simulan mo. And if ever feeling stuck ka, remember, kahit ang halaman, kailangan lang ng tamang environment para sumibol ulit. Ikaw, kailan ka huli nag-invest sa something that grows? Whether it's a plant, a new skill, or even yourself. Why not start today? Remember, life is like a plant. The more you nurture it, the more it thrives. Let's keep growing!
Gaano po kayo kasaya? Ang saya.